As you can tell by the title here, we're going over some dividends. Maybe I'm a little older, maybe a little wiser. Maybe the whole economy is, upside down right now and I need a little stability in my life so I don't have gray hairs by 27. With it being the end of April here, that'll be a great time to finish up quarter one on a strong note and go over how my dividend investing's been going so far. This isn't the only portfolio I'm holding, but it's definitely a new strategy for me, one that I enjoy and one that's kind of nice to have that holy grail of passive income, some may say. It's nothing crazy so far, but I'm proud of myself for doing it, and it feels good every time you get that little email saying a dividend's pop back in your account. Without further ado, let's jump in the account and see what I'm holding. Diving into the portfolio there, you can see at the end of the first quarter, I'm holding just shy of $3,200. Now it's been a very volatile quarter, and we've had a lot of ups and downs. Thankfully, even though it might not be much and not even noticeable, I guess, in the eyes of Wealthsimple, I am up $6.22 on principal, so you know what? I'll take that at this rate, considering how last year went. Now, diving down here, this will give you a little breakdown of what I'm holding. Not going to go into each individual stock, but kind of just give you an overview. Right now, I currently have 17 different companies in my portfolio. This will give you a quick breakdown of their price, the value I'm holding, and the all-time returns. As you can see scrolling down, some are good, some are not so good, but overall, it's been a pretty solid portfolio. I'm pretty happy with myself there. As things go on, I probably will try and diversify a bit better, but as of right now, I do like, stability this portfolio gives overall. As you can see, a lot of these ones are valued about $250 here. BK is my biggest one at $831. Just love those monthly dividends right now. Sadly, this company is becoming discontinued as of the end of the year, so I'm trying to profit as much as I can. Utilities, Doberman, all this kind of stuff there. Some oil and gas, some tech, some insurance, some real estate. It's a little bit of everything here, I gotta say, but it's been nice to me in a lot of aspects, and excited to see where things go. Now this is my pride and joy, my bread and butter, my financial tracker. This dives a little bit more into detail on what I'm kind of making and how the holdings are doing. Jumping in here, we've already kind of seen how the returns were doing on the other sheet. We'll jump into the dividends. So as you can see down here, each month you get an idea of how many, my returns and dividends there, total over the year, and what each company is giving me. Beside them are the tickers and the market value, as you saw in the previous sheet. But if you want understanding of how much I have as market value versus how much they're paying me out, you can kind of pause here and get an understanding. Diving down here, this just gives you a little better understanding of some charts and kind of the returns I'm getting here. As you can see, I'm a little heavy on the BK, but other than that, things are fairly well diversified. Kind of see the returns they're popping off here. BK is a powerhouse, I gotta say, and not financial advice, but I do have some friends I know that have made a killing off it in the past, so, totally up to you, not pushing it, but it's been good to the people that have held for the long run there. It took a nasty hit during the pandemic, so literally buying the dip there played off huge, especially with the dividend yield it was paying out. And just diving in, this is kind of giving you my ROI for some people that kind of want more of a breakdown. This gives you my month-to-month ROI and kind of the expected overall you can assume. I'm very thankful for this portfolio to be playing out the way it has and to be able to pull a 0.9% dividend ROI, on average each month. That's not expected for most of them, and some of my real estate ones have had a hit with more volatility, but overall, that's kind of the name of the game that we're playing with right now. And I guess just a final review off this, taking a peek at all these ones here, probably my best return as of recently would be my Stingray group. I'm only holding 2 shares at about $12, but we are up 20%. Close behind it there is Algonquin Power Utilities, a few more shares there, and up 14.75%. I'm happy seeing those numbers. As for my hardest hit ones, it would probably be Chorus Entertainment Inc. About $55 worth, and we're down about 20%. This one's been up and down, and I have been up 20% at one point, so I'm not too worried about it. It's just kind of holding in the background, doesn't pay me anything crazy, but it's nice to have, and you never know, maybe the entertainment industry will pop off again once inflation cools. Another one that's been a hard hit is Dream Impact Trust.
This is real estate for you here, and how commercial real estate's taking a hit with these high inflation prices. Down 22%, nothing crazy, about $44 to only about $12.75. As I said, nothing I'm too worried about, but it's keep my eyes peeled to see how the real estate market's doing the next little bit. But yeah, that is my $3,200 dividend portfolio for quarter one. Once again, this is not financial advice. This is just my personal opinion and buys that I have done. Please do your due diligence and research prior to investing and know the risks. Excited for how this quarter's gone, and really looking to push this next quarter. If you are interested in more videos like this, shoot a comment down below, and I'll try and get into some more personal finance in detail here. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll catch you guys in the next edit. Cheers.